Our preventive maintenance team are the face of our company. We have mobile trucks, and inside that mobile truck is equipped with anything that you would need to do preventive maintenance on surgical instruments. We bring out surgical trays, we inspect every single instrument and every single tray, and we do any type of sharpening and alignments that are needed. But really, if there's anything that the customer needs to give us, even if it's endoscopes or cameras that need to be repaired, this is your point of contact to get some of those items back to our repair lab as soon as possible to get that repair completed.
Our on-site techs can do probably about 95 to 98% of everything that needs to be done on site. We do all instrument repair, sharpening lap instruments. We scan them to see if there's any insulation leaks. If there is, we replace that. The customer is able to see every tray that we did, every instrument that we touched, so they know what's happening with their instruments at all time. And at the end of the day, they know exactly what we did, exactly where the instruments are, and if something went back to the lab, they know where it's at, and it's easier for them to track it as well. We know that what we do is important, and it's an important job that it affects a lot of people. It's important to make sure that these instruments are the highest quality that they can be when we're done.